What's up, guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video, taking a look at a 20,000 milliamp hour portable solar power bank. Now, this was sent out to me by this company right here. Big shout out to them for sending this over for a review. You can pick this up on Amazon.com. The price is $20.38. They're also offering an extra 15% off when you apply this coupon as well. So let's take a look at a few of the features and details. So this has bright double LED flashlights that you can use for reading, emergency, SOS, and warning. 3 modes on it: steady, SOS, and strobe. So that's a good feature to have on here. You're going to have your power and flashlight switch there. This is shockproof, dustproof, and waterproof. It's a portable size, easy to carry. So this is suitable for smartphones and all 5-volt devices. So you're only going to get 5 volts out of this. So your smartphones, your tablets, smartwatches, your action cameras, your gaming consoles, and your speakers. Dual recharging mode, so you can charge this up via USB cable. Going to take you 6 hours to charge it. You also can charge this up emergency solar charging, which is going to take you several days. So be mindful of that. Stay powered anywhere, designed for outdoor enthusiasts, camping, fishing, beaches, and hiking. So those are a few of the features and details. Like I said, the link will be down in the description if you guys want to pick this up. All right, guys, so let's get it out of the box and check it out. There's nothing special about the box. Just a brown box here, telling you how to get rid of the box and stuff like that. So let's take a look at the device. So inside of here, you're going to have your user's manual, and in here it's going to tell you the layout here, tell you what's all included. This does have a compass on it as well, guys. So you're going to have your 2 LED flashlights, USB 1 and 2, compass, power flashlight switch, power indicator, micro USB input, and your solar panel. And then over here is giving you some information about the device here. So the efficiency of solar panel, 200 milliamps. This is 5 volts, 1.6 amps. Or input, and then output is 5 volt, 1.1 amp plus 5 volt, 2.1 amps. So that's the max. Gives you the charging times there as well. And that is it. It's going to give you your power indicator lights here. So if you have 4 of them, that means it's 100%. 75% is 3 lights, 2 is 50, and 1 is 25. And tells you how to use the flashlight and all of that stuff. So you're going to get your USB-A to micro USB. That's what you're getting there. Carabiner clip and the device. All right, so this is a nice looking device. It's plastic, doesn't have a lot of weight to it. Get this out of the way. Not very heavy, very nice, man. I got a blue and black one. I'm not sure if it comes in different colors. There is a power indicator light there. I'm not sure if that means that it's charging. I'm going to assume that means that it's charging since we're under this light here. And because the other 4 are off. And so let's go around the device. You got USB here. Pull this up. You're going to have your 2 USB and your micro USB, not Type-C. The only thing that's, kind of not up to date. You got your place here where you can put your carabiner. You got some nice grips around here. Your 2 flashlights here. And then on this side, some more grip. And you got your power button there. So here's your compass on the back of it. It's pretty neat. And like I said, very lightweight. You got some more specs on the back. And then also your power button here on this side. Very compact, very small. Let's go ahead and try out the flashlights. So if you hit the switch, then you're going to see just how much power you have on the device. And this light here is for when it's charging by solar. So since it's under this light that I have here, it's charging. So we're at about 50% there. Let's go ahead and see, get the flashlights going here. So there's flashlight. Try not to cause anyone to, get sick here. So let's go ahead and double click the switch. That turns it off. That's steady. This is SOS. And that is strobe. So we're going to go ahead and turn this off. Don't want anybody getting sick. So there it is. Very nice, compact. I'm going to get a couple of devices and plug this in and see if this is going to charge. 50% battery. So, all right, guys. So we're back in. I have a few devices here. A couple of Apple devices, a couple of Android devices, just to demonstrate here. So this green light does mean that it's charging through solar. That'll be under artificial light or out in the natural sunlight. It takes it a few days outside to charge it by natural sunlight. You can also charge the device by the micro USB port there, and it's going to take you 6 to 8 hours to charge it by that way. You got your two USB-A ports here that are 5 volt. 2.1 amp, so you're not going to get quick charging here. So let's go ahead and plug in and try this out. I'm going to go ahead, plug in that side, and then we're going to plug in this side over here. So let's go ahead and try this out. Let's try the iPhone first. So there's the iPhone. It is charging, as you guys see. And then we're going to go ahead and see if it'll charge the iPad. And there it is. As you guys see, it is charging the iPad. So I'm going to leave that plugged in. Let's try the Google Pixel 6 Pro. You guys see, it is charging this as well. No problem. It's at 100% already. Battery life is great on that. And Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. And there it is, it is charging. So charging both of these at the same time. No issues charging two items at the same time, two devices. But just be mindful that it's not going to be a fast charging. So let's go ahead and finish the video, guys. All right, guys, so we're back in. As you guys see, this is a very versatile little device. It'll charge up your smartwatches, your cell phones, your iPads, your tablets, whatever you may need to charge up. Very light, compact. It will use this for an emergency. It's in case your power goes out, if you're out camping, hunting, fishing, whatever, if you're going to be away for a while. The good thing about this is solar as well. Just know that it's not going to be quick charge. But for emergencies or just having this as an extra backup, this is great. So I'll leave the link in the description if you guys want to pick it up. Wheels, Gadgets, and More. I'm out.